Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to solve no active device used for your location arise in your iPhone. To solve this problem, the first thing you need to do is turn on your airplane mode and then turn it off after 20 to 30 seconds. After you do this, you can go to your settings and hit on privacy and security. Then there you can see location services. Go through it and hit on share my location. Make sure that your share my location is turned on. After you do this, go to find my iPhone, and here find my iPhone and find my networks will be turned on. Then go back to settings and hit general. Then shut down your phone for 20 to 30 seconds and then again restart it. Once you do that, if the problem is still there, then you have to reset your phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.